Good day, Grade 3 learners of Camiling East Central Elementary School. This is Jennifer and Makay, your teacher broadcaster at 88.8 CSS Radio Eskwela Station. Today, we will learn a new topic from the most essential learning competency in Mathematics 3. Visualizing and representing and converting time measure from seconds to minutes, minutes to hours, and hours to a day, and vice versa. I hope you are all doing fine, and I'm sure that you are excited and interested to continue learning. Before we start our activities for today, make sure that you stay in a very comfortable place and free from any distractions so that you can focus on your activities and hear me well over the radio. I hope you have eaten your meal so that you can understand our lesson. Are you ready? Then, let's start our lesson. Kindly get your learning activity sheet and pencil and get ready to listen and learn. For our lesson 1, do you know how to read and tell time? What are we going to use in telling time? Very good. We use clocks in telling time. Look at the picture. This is an example of an analog clock. The hand that moves around the fastest on an analog clock is the second hand. There are 60 seconds in a full rotation in 1 minute. The large hand on a clock that points to the minutes. It goes once around the clock every 60 minutes or 1 hour. So there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Can you see the color red? That is the minute hand. The minute hand or long hand tells the minutes. It skips counting by 5 minutes and read as 5, 10, 15, 20 until 55. When the minute hand points to 12, the time is carried to the next hour and is read as o'clock. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. And 24 hours is equivalent to 1 day. The small hand on a clock that points to the hours. It goes once around the clock every 12 hours. Look at the color blue on the clock. That is the hour hand. The hour hand or the shorter hand tells the hours. It is read as 1, 2, 3, 4 until 12. Now, let us study this. Look at your activity sheet. Okay, so we have 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Now, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? The answer is, yes, it's 60 seconds. If there are 2 minutes, how many seconds that would be? Can you tell me? Since there are 60 seconds in 1 minute and there are 2 minutes, so we have 60 plus 60 is equal to 120 seconds, or 60 plus 60 is equal to 120 seconds. Or should I say 60 times 2 is equal to 120 seconds. Did you get it? Very good. Let's have another example. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. How many minutes are there if Lecius spent 1.5 hours reading his book? Here is the solution. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour and half hour is equal to 30 minutes. So, 1.5 hour is equal to 90 minutes because 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. Did you get it? Excellent. Let us do the next example. To prevent the spread of coronavirus, frequent hand washing was advised with a duration of at least 20 seconds. If Jay washes his hands 6 times, how many seconds is that? What is the equivalent in minutes? At least how many seconds do we need to spend in washing our hands? The answer is 20 seconds. How many times did Jay wash his hands? Good job, it's 6 times. How are we going to solve the problem? So first, let us find out how many seconds are there in all by multiplying 20 seconds times 6. Okay, so 20 seconds times 6 times is equal to 1 minute. So 120 seconds divided by 60 seconds is equal to 2 minutes. So 120 seconds is equal to 2 minutes. We change seconds to minutes. Since seconds is a smaller unit than minute, we divide. Let's go to our next example. The family of Mang Ramon visited his parents in the province of Tarlac. They stayed there for Saturday and Sunday. How many hours did they spend in the province? Who went to the province? The family of Mang Ramon. How many days did they stay there? Yes, they stayed there for 2 days. How are we going to find out the number of hours if they stayed in Tarlac for 2 days? So 2 days is equal to blank hours. So since 1 day is equal to 24 hours, we will multiply 2 days times 24 hours is equal to 48 hours. So Mang Ramon's family stayed in Tarlac for 48 hours. Remember this, children? To change a smaller unit of time to bigger unit, we perform division. Example, seconds to minutes. So 360 seconds is equal to blank minutes. What is the answer? Yes, it is 6 minutes. So 360 seconds divided by 60 minutes is equal to 6 minutes. How many minutes in 150 seconds? Our answer will be 25 minutes. Did you get it? So 150 seconds divided by 60 minutes is equal to, or sorry, should I say 1,500 seconds. Okay, so 1,500 seconds divided by 60 minutes is equal to 25 minutes. So to convert minutes to seconds, we multiply the minutes by 60. For example, 30 minutes is equal to blank seconds. The answer is 1,006 or 1,800 seconds. Here is the solution. 30 minutes times 60 seconds is equal to 1,860 seconds. Okay, how many seconds in 5 minutes? If your answer is 300 seconds, then you are right. 5 times 60 is equal to 300. Next, to convert minutes to hours, we just divide the number of minutes by 60. Example, 180 minutes is the same as 3 hours since 180 minutes divided by 60 is equal to 3. To get the number of days, divide the number of hours by 24. Example, 300 hours is equal to blank days. So 300 divided by 24 is equal to 13 days. So the answer is 13 days. How many days in 24 hours? Or 48 hours, I should say. So 48 hours divided by 24 is equal to 2 days. There are 48 hours in 2 days. I hope you got it, children. To get the number of hours, multiply the number of days by 24. Example, 30 days is equal to blank hours. So 30 times 24 is equal to 720 hours. 30 days is equal to or equivalent to 720 hours. Okay, how many hours in 7 days? So 7 days times 24 hours is equal to 168 hours. There are 168 in 7 days. I think you are now ready to the exercises. Let us change the seconds into minutes. Are you ready? I will give you 5 minutes to do it. You can ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in answering the exercises. So, number 1, 120 seconds, convert it into minutes. Number 2, 480 seconds, convert it in minutes. Number 3, 120 seconds, convert it in minutes. Number 4, 180 seconds, convert it in minutes. And number 5, 300 seconds, convert it in minutes. Okay, so once again, I will give you 5 minutes to do it. Time starts now. Time's up? Okay, let's check. Number 1, the answer is 2. Number 2, the answer is 8. Number 3, the answer is 2. Number 4, the answer is 3. And number 5, the answer is 5. Okay, I hope you got them right. For activity number 2, let us change the minutes to hour. I will give you again 5 minutes to do it. Time starts now. Okay, let's check. Number 1, the answer is 3. Number 2, 6. Number 3, 4. Number 4, 2. Number 5, 7. Okay, for the last activity will be, let us change or convert hours into days and days to hours. Number 1, 2 days. Convert it into hours. Number 2, 5 days. Convert it into hours. Number 3, 12 days. Convert it into hours. And number 4, 24 hours. Convert it into days. Number 5, 72 hours. Convert it into days. Okay, so please do this during your free time. Okay, so I hope that you learn while having fun today. For the record of our broadcast, visit our YouTube channel, Rick and Jen. Use the symbol for the end. You can also search there the video lesson I have made for you, my dear learners. Once again, this is Teacher Jennifer and Makay, your Math Teacher 3 or your Math 3 teacher. Always remember that the more you read, the more things you will know. Thank you for listening. Keep safe.